Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this granny square. I made this granny square bag with this. You can also make a granny square blanket. It's really easy and simple to make. I'm also going to post a video or a step-by-step tutorial on how to make this granny square bag, which I will link in the description. Let's start. I'm using a 5.5mm hook and Aran yarn. We'll start by making a magic circle. Yarn over your fingers, insert the hook and pull up the back loop. This is our magic ring and we are going to double crochet 16 times into this ring. So yarn over, pull through. We have to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. This chain 3 counts as the first double crochet. Now yarn over, insert the hook into the ring. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now this is the first one, this is second. We are going to yarn over again, yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So we have to double crochet 15 times and chain 3. Altogether we have 16 double crochets. If you struggle to make the magic circle, you can also chain 4 and slip stitch into the first chain, which will form a circle, and then you can double crochet 16 times into that circle. Finish your double crochet 16 times and I'll see you at the end. I have 16 double crochets. Now at the end of this round, I'm going to slip stitch into the top of chain 3. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull through and pull through the same loop. Chain 1, flip the yarn, and this is our first round finished. Pick up the different color for round 2 and insert anywhere into these spaces. We are going to work into this space. Insert the yarn and pull through. Now I'm going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Now yarn over, insert into the same space, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 3 loops on the hook. Now yarn over, insert the hook into the same space, yarn over, pull through. Do it one more time, yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through. You have 7 loops on the hook now. Yarn over, pull through all 7 loops. This will form a puff and chain 1 to close it off. Now we are going to do the same thing in the next stitch, in the next space. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through again. Yarn over, insert the hook, pull through again. So we have to do this 3 times. Yarn over, pull through all 7 loops. Chain 1. And into the next space, we are going to do this 3 times. Repeat this pattern until the end and I'll see you at the end. In the end of this round, I'm going to make another puff into my last space. Yarn over, pull through all 7 loops. Chain 1. Now I'm going to slip stitch into the top of this chain 3 space to finish this round. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. For round 3, this is very similar to round 2. We are going to start working in any of these spaces. With a new color yarn, insert your yarn. Let's start by making chain 3. 1, 2, 3. This is a slightly different from the second round. So I'm going to yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the same space, yarn over, pull through. Now I'm going to yarn over and pull through the 2 loops, leaving the 2 loops on the hook. I'll do this again, yarn over, insert the hook into the same space, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, leaving the 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Chain 2. Now we are going to do the same thing in the next space. Yarn over, insert your hook. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, leaving the 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. You should have 4 loops on the hook. We are going to yarn over, pull through all 4 loops, chain 2, into the next space, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Do it 2 more times. Now we are going to yarn over, pull through all 4 loops and chain 2. Repeat this pattern into every space around. Now repeat this pattern all the way around and I'll see you at the end. At the end of this round, yarn over, pull through all 4 loops. Now I'm going to chain 2 and slip stitch into the top of our chain 3 space to finish this round. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. For the last round, we are going to again work into these spaces, chain 2 spaces, insert your hook, pull up the yarn. For this round, we are going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now yarn over your hook twice, insert your hook into the same space, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. This is our triple crochet. We are going to do 1 more time into the same space. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Chain 4 counts as the first triple crochet. We are going to chain 3 now. Again, we are going to do 3 triple crochets into the same space to form a corner of a square. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Into the same space, yarn over twice, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. 1 more triple crochet into the same space. Chain 3 will form a corner. This will be the corner of a square. At the moment we have been working into the rounds, so this is our first corner. In order to give it a square shape, next we are going to do 3 double crochets, 3 half double crochets, 3 double crochets, and then a corner again. I'll show you how to do it. So for the next space, we are going to do double crochet. So yarn over the hook once, insert your hook, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Again, 1 more double crochet into the same space. And for the next one, we are going to do 3 half double crochets. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. To give it a flat look, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. 1 more time, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Now we are going to do 3 double crochets again. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. 2 more double crochets into this space. And then into the next space, we are going to do 3 triple crochets, chain 3 and 3 triple crochets to make our next corner. Now I'm going to chain 3, which will be my next corner, and I'm going to make 3 triple crochets into the same space. And I'm going to repeat this pattern all the way across. And for my next space, I'm going to do 3 double crochets, then 3 half double crochets, then 3 double crochets, and then again make a corner, 3 triple crochets, chain 3 and 3 triple crochets into the same space. This is how it looks like. Now continue working and I will see you at the end. I have completed mine. At the end of this round, I'm going to slip stitch into the top of chain 4 space. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the same loop. Chain 1, cut your yarn. And that's our granny square complete. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, please comment below. Thank you.